podcasted program, actually streaming, how to do the streaming. So on this basis, we have created some kind of creativity among the children, whatever they are going to act as a celebrity. So this program, the main focus is to build their personality development, self-esteem. So start with the welcome address. I call Mahek of 9th class to take over the hosting department. Mahek, please.
जिंदगी एक चाह है, हर चाह की एक राह है, हर राह का एक उद्देश्य है, हर उद्देश्य की एक मंजिल है, हर मंजिल के पीछे छुपी कामयाबी है और हर कामयाबी के पीछे छुपी है मेहनत, जो हमारे ब्राइटियंस बहुत अच्छे से करना जानते हैं। A sweet welcome to Celebrity Entertainment Show 2024 to 2025. Honorable Correspondent Shri Vinod Jadhav Garu, respected teachers, my dear eminent celebrity show actors and actors, my dear friends and dear parents. Firstly, I wish a warm welcome to you all and a hearty congratulations to be a part of this celebrity entertainment show. हमारी जिंदगी साइंस की तरह है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी साइंस की तरह है, जितने बार एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करोगे उतना बेहतर रिजल्ट पाओगे। I would like to extend my appreciation to our correspondent Sri Vinod Jadhav Garu to permit us to have this celebrity entertainment show. Dear friends, let me tell you the purpose of this show: to reduce stress, promote productivity, promote extractivity, speak fearlessly, and learn different aspects of लाइफस्टाइल एंड कल्चर। सोचो, अगर डॉक्टर फिल्म बनाते हैं तो टाइटल क्या होगा? टाइटल क्या होगा? कभी खांसी कभी जुकाम, कहो ना बुखार है, टीबी नंबर 1, पेशेंट कल हो ना हो। थैंक यू, दिस इज महक, क्लास 9, एंकर ऑफ सेलिब्रिटी एंटरटेनमेंट शो and human computer, and she is also known as the queen of mathematics. She is also built the world's fastest computer. We are honored to invite Srimati Shakuntala Devi, escorted by Tripura, Tesmia, Tulia and Sarthak.
For your elaborate appraisal. It's really heart-touching and so beautiful to have you too.
Ma'am, you also hold the Guinness Book of World Records and has recorded the name and title of human computer. Ma'am, you won defeated the computer in calculation on 18 June 1980, the Computer Department of Imperial College, London. Ma'am, can we have the same calculation today? You will be given 2 random numbers with 13 digits. And the number is, please write down, ma'am. 76,
Copy.
86,
Copy.
06, 369,
Copy.
774,
Copy.
870.
Copy.
Multiplied by
Copy.
24,
Copy.
65,
Copy.
099,
Copy.
745,
Copy.
779.
Copy. So the answer is 189476981779954264627737330. It contains 26 digits.
Simply super brilliant and accurate. Ma'am, could you tell about your early talent and career?
Without even formal schooling, I began performing mathematical feats at public shows, captivating audience with my speed and accuracy.
Now, we have some questions for you, ma'am. Can you give me the cube root of
Copy,
95443993?
copy, copy, copy. So the answer is 457.
Brilliant. The seventh root of 170
Copy,
859
copy,
375.
copy. So the answer is 15.
Ma'am, multiply these two random 8-digit numbers. 24
Copy,
59
copy,
37
copy,
28.
copy,
Multiplied by
copy,
38
copy,
72
copy,
21
copy,
36.
copy.
Now let me see your speed.
So the answer is 9532321680363008.
Ma'am, in the year 1977, which is commonly darkest, how could you give that 23 root of 201 digit number, that too in 50 seconds? Can we have the answer now?
The answer is 546372891.
Ma'am, what are your contributions?
I hold Guinness Book of World Record for titling Fastest Human Computation. I received Distinguished Woman of the Year award from the University of Philippines. I received Lifetime Achievement Award in Mumbai. I am also author and educator.
Why educator?
I authored books on mathematics and puzzles, aiming to simplify complex concepts to students. In The Wonderlands of Numbers, a book which I wrote, I have narrated about a girl named Neha who is poor at mathematics but became a great mathematician. I also wrote Fun with Numbers, Astrology for You, and Puzzles to Puzzle You.
Ma'am, why did not you never become a mathematician?
That's an interesting question, Tripura. Let me tell this in examples. Ramanujan, he was a great mathematician because he knew infinity and his brain applies in mathematics, not in numbers.
Ma'am, at which age people started noticing you what memory and super calculation?
It all started at the age of 3. When my father discovered my mathematical talent at the age of 3 while he was teaching card trick. At the age of 6, I started performing arithmetic skills at the University of Mysore.
What is actually mathematics, ma'am?
It is only a systematic effort of solving puzzles posed by nature. It is not just about to add, subtract, divide and multiply. It is a concept. It is a great logic.
Ma'am, do you have any favorite color?
Actually, Tripura, blue is my favorite.
Why particularly blue?
Because blue is the color of the sky and the color of the sea.
Shakuntala Devi, in spite of your luxurious life, I heard that you love to live like a Aussie person. What is the phase of the life that hardly anyone knows?
That's true. I travel like a normal girl in buses and auto rickshaws. I love to lead a life of a common girl. I shun publicity and lots of people around me taking photos and snaps.
What happened actually in New Jersey? Can you summarize, ma'am?
Once I went to New Jersey. There I asked whether anyone had love and affection towards mathematics. Then one lady raised her hand and I asked who she was. She answered that she was a mathematics teacher. This was the pathetic condition of mathematics in those days.
Human computer, ma'am, Shri Shakuntala Devi. One last question before we conclude. A man was offered a job in a British company. His joining date is in April. But he could not decide he should accept the job or not because their salary structure is a bit strange. On the first day, they will be paying him 1 paise. On the second day, 2 paisas. On the third day, 4 paisas. On the fourth day, 8 paisas. Basically, the pay will be doubled every day. Now, should he take up the job or not?
So his salary would be 1,7,37,418 rupees and 23 pies. So he definitely have to take up the job.
What would you like to conclude about mathematics?
Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers.
Any questions from audience?
Yeah. Shakuntala Devi ma'am, how can I become greatest human calculator? May I know the logic and the magic behind your success?
Thank you, Tasmia, for asking this nice question. Every person has some or the other skills. What we need to know is how to use it in a proper way. There is no magic behind my success. My logical skills are behind my magic.
Thank you, Shakuntala Devi ma'am.
Thank you.
Shakuntala Devi ma'am, one question about cube root which I like to ask. What is the cube root of 405224?
Thank you, Dulia, for asking this nice question. The cube root of 405224 is 74.
Thank you ma'am.
My name is Sarthak, Srimati Shakuntala Devi ma'am. My question is, if a hen and a half lay an eggs and in a day and a half, how many eggs will half a dozen hens lay in half a dozen days?
Thank you, Sarthak, for asking this nice question. So the answer is half dozen eggs will lay 24 eggs in half dozen days.
नाम है मिठू मिठू, बनना चाहती थी ये डांसर, राज करना चाहती थी एज अ डांसर, नाम है इसका मिथाली राज. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our esteemed cricketer Mithali Raj, escorted by Deekshita.
Now I am sitting with Mithali Raj. Is an Indian former cricketer who captained the national team from 2004 to 2022. She is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket. Ma'am, how do you feel as you are labeled with Queen of Cricket?
I am hail from Tamil Nadu and I am very proud Indian representing as a cricketer wearing blue jersey and bringing pride to our nation. I think I am honored, proud and fortunate to be a part of Indian cricket.
I even hear that your journey was tough and very hard. How did you find your goal?
I always got support from my friends, family and mentors. Actually, my parents wanted me to become a classical dancer. When my father, an Air Force officer, took me to Cricket Academy, I began taking coaching at Keys High School, Secunderabad, and later at Kasturibai Gandhi Junior College in Secunderabad. Later, I became a right-hand batsman.
Mithali, you have a remarkable 23 years career. Played 155 ODIs. You are an inspiration to others. You hold Arjuna Award, Padma Shri Award, and also known as Lady Sachin Tendulkar, and also named as Queen of Cricket. How do you feel when you get so much appreciation?
It's a proud moment. I thank my fans across the world. I remember my unbeaten 91 in 2005 ODI World Cup semi-finals. It's because of lots of love from my fans makes me feel always proud to play for my country.
What about your favorites, Mitali? What is your favorite food, color, book and cinema?
Actually, I enjoy eating semia payasam and dal palak, and I also love to eat dosha idli with coconut chutney. My favorite color is blue. I love to read The Essential by Rumi, and I enjoy watching movies The Imitation Game and Shirshak.
And the last question, Mitali. Who is your inspiration and best actor and best actress?
My father Dora Raj and my backbone my mother. I played cricket out of a sense both of loyalty and duty both to my father and to the sport itself. My favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan. My favorite actress is Priyanka Chopra.
This is SST. Mitali Raj ma'am, your career has been longest and finest in history of Indian cricket. What makes you so perfect in international women's cricket?
Thank you, Yashashree. I believe in self-confidence and my parents are my true source of power which creates a magic in the cricket field.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is a leading Indian virologist and senior scientist at the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR). She played a crucial role in India's COVID-19 response. Dr. Gupta has been a key figure in strengthening India's public healthcare system. She was also named as Vogue Warrior in 2022. So please welcome Dr. Nivedita Gupta, escorted by Maunika. Please take your seat, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm sitting with Dr. Nivedita Gupta, Head of Virology at Indian Council of Medical Research. Madam, when the world was deadly worried about survival during COVID-19 outbreak for 2 years, how tough was this to handle? Actually, Monica, I was tasked with scaling up the COVID testing process in India, which was started in January 2020. Only the National Institute of Virology (NIV) Pune had the bandwidth for COVID testing process. As I was involved in testing up of viral pathogens, I also worked on a project known as setting up of virus research and diagnostic laboratories. How tough was this to handle the correctness of testing, that too in a challenging lockdown? Monica, actually the first was to increase the capacity of the COVID virus. As March began 2020, even 106 labs could not meet the demand. We needed a huge supply of stocks across India. What is your message, Dr. Nivedita Gupta, on such viruses like COVID-19 and other infectious viruses? How to overcome and fight against any virus? Interesting question. The virus waves may continue to happen in future. That is why it is very important to maintain vaccine rates and public health precautions. It is always advisable to wear mask on public gathering. It's important point. Audience, please note it down. Vaccines protect us from severe infections and diseases, but not from death. Very surprising. Audience and nation wants to know. The SARS-CoV-19 was really deadly and world saw the swine flu pandemic. So how to improve immunity? Scientifically very true, Monica. Focus on a healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Regular exercise, adequate stress management and staying up to date with recommended vaccinations.
it is really very sad that more than 4.7 million people died due to the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, both directly and indirectly in India. How do you see the impact? Actually, the COVID-19 panicked the whole world. Even ICMR was very critical. Nobody knew that we were attacked by an unknown pandemic. The ICMR and the other medical teams were working under a war footing stage. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कौन मर रहा है, कैसे मर रहा है और क्यों मर रहा है। ये बात कोविड-19 की है। जब मैं मेरे ऑफिस से घर आ रही थी तो मैंने देखा मेरे नेबर के डोर के सामने दूध के पैकेट ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं। जब मैं उधर गई तो मुझे वहाँ से कुछ अजीब सी स्मेल आने लगी। जब मैं डोर नॉक करने की कोशिश की तो डोर ऑलरेडी खुला था। जब मैंने देखा तो मेरे नेबर को कोविड हो गया था और वो जमीन पे मरा पड़ा था। तो मैंने तुरंत ही एम्बुलेंस को कॉल किया और एम्बुलेंस ने उन्हें ले गए। By seeing this, I felt very sad for my neighbor. I, Dr. Nivedita Gupta, sincerely pray that such virus should not enter to our Mother Earth again. We all wish the same and pray for the same. So wear mask, wash your hands, stay hygiene, stay safe. Any questions from the audience? Every death counts. 4.7 million people die. How can we handle future poxyvirus? Thank you, Yokshita Sai, for asking this question. Our healthcare department says that science cannot predict the future incoming virus. We have fought toughly with SARS-1, SARS-2, swine flu, and the most deadly COVID-19. I am very sure that the future coming virus will be more deadly than COVID-19. So let us all maintain a proper healthy diet. Thank you.
Navya Naveli Nanda is an Indian entrepreneur and social advocate, best known for her work for women empowerment and healthcare for women. She is the granddaughter of legend Amitabh Bachchan and the daughter of Shweta Bachchan and Nikhil Nanda. So please welcome Navya Naveli Nanda, escorted by Tanvika.
Granddaughter of Star of the Millennium, Amitabh Bachchan, actress and MP Jaya Bachchan, an Indian model and internet celebrity. And your father, Nikhil Nanda, is the grandson of late actor Raj Kapoor. Madam, कैसा लगता है आपको दो बड़े खानदान के granddaughter होना?
I think I'm very lucky. All my family members are very vocal and they share our opinions freely. I also love something that I push for and fight for. This is what my heart and this is what I love to do.
From where do you get this power, courage and who inspires you a lot?
मेरे जीवन में my grandmother, my mother and my ancestral aunt are my inspiration. Also something my great grandfather and my grandfather, they always said, मन का हो तो अच्छा हो, मन का ना हो तो और भी अच्छा हो, क्योंकि वह सिर्फ भगवान के मन का होता है.
What is the one thing you want to achieve?
I think I want to become a Wonder Woman and a Supergirl.
If you could launch a new initiative under Project Naveli, what would it be?
I think Project Naveli mainly works for women healthcare and mental healthcare. I also co-founded Ara Health, a women-centric health company. It is affordable for BPL women in India.
You are a businesswoman and high risk to significant wealth escorts Kubota. What's your favorite food, color, outing and cinema and entertainment world?
I like Pani Puri and Vada Pav. I also like Juhu Beach, drinking coffee with my friends. I like traveling and playing piano. I like all movies of my grandfather.
Tell me something about your education.
I'm a Mumbai girl. I have completed my schooling at 7 of School mathematics degree in digital technology and UX design.
Navya Naveli Nanda ma'am, what is your routine?
I'm a routine person. I have learned from my family. I think everyone in my family is very disciplined. They eat food together at fun time and dinner at fun time.
When did you earn your first lakh and how did you spend it?
My first job when I was in college, that was when I got my first salary and I actually spent it on McDonald's.
Oh, McDonald's. Thank you, ma'am.
Navya Naveli Nanda madam, what sort of world do you imagine for women and what is your vision for Naveli over the next few years?
Thank you, Prime Minister. To the world, my vision is safe and secure life for women, more jobs and healthy diet.
आने वाले जनरेशन के लिए आपका कोई संदेश और कुछ ऐसी बातें जो उन्हें नहीं करना चाहिए?
The present generation needs to be more traditional and value our culture because this is our ethics.
Thank you.
Any question from audience?
Navya Naveli Nanda ma'am, you are doing lot of noble works to young girls and married women. ये सब करने के लिए आपको ताकत कहाँ से मिलती है?
Thank you, Om Shanti. ताकत बाजुओं में नहीं, अच्छे इरादों में होती है.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Navya Naveli Nanda madam. Hi, my name is Egnapriya. How do you feel the gap between being a businesswoman and the granddaughter of the celebrities?
Thank you, Ignapriya. I'm creating a platform that represents Indian social entrepreneurship at global level. I love my family and my hard work. Thank you.
Thank you.
Also known as Magnificent Mary, is an iconic boxer and the greatest athlete female in the world. So let us welcome Mary Kom, escorted by Supriya.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I am sitting with the land of jewels and queen of boxing court, Mary Kom. Ma'am, you have set up a new standard in the field of boxing and inspired all married women. How do you see?
Thank you, Supriya. I broke the stereotype that many married women, especially mothers, can't become a successful athlete. As I was born in Manipur, Northeast India, my biggest ambition was to become a boxer. So I left at the age of 15 to Impulse Sports Academy. And I kept my boxing training secret from my parents.
That is really a secret of boxing queen Mary Kom. Boxing ही क्यों? क्या आपको लोगों को मारना ही पसंद है?
I'm a strong man with so many hidden secrets of being a champion. As I was born in a poor farming family, I want to switch myself to a boxer. And I won a gold medal in 1980 Asian Games.
That is remarkable and incredible success. Ma'am, you have been gifted with so many awards and rewards and honored with Global India Icon of the Year award and many more. How do you see?
Yes, I feel very proud to be awarded with Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Arjuna Award. My career turning point was 2012 Summer Olympic. It was really very tough journey for me.
Ma'am, what about your favorites? Favorite food, sports, actress and singer?
I mostly like to eat Northeast food like dried fish. Regarding to sports, I like wrestling, volleyball and football. I like to listen Queen of Melody, Lata Mangeshkar. As an actress, I like Priyanka Chopra.
So, tell me about your schooling and your journey.
I have studied from Luktak Christian Model School and St.
in Xavier School. In my teenager, I loved to watch TV, traveling, singing, and learning martial arts.
Ma'am, after winning so many awards, rewards, and accolades and success, what is left to achieve?
I appreciate you, Supriya. I think whatever I have achieved, it's because of my hard work. I have also nominated by the President of India as a Parliament member in Rajya Sabha. I am also associated with human rights, women empowerment, and political involvements.
What message would you like to give to this world?
The message I would like to give to the world today is own your defeat. If you fail, try again. If you again fail, change the direction and try again. And that will make you the winner.
ऐसी शक्ति कहाँ से आती है आपको? जब आप सामने वाले को मारती हैं तो वो गिर जाता है।
ये शक्ति मुझे मेरे माता पिता से और मेरे फैंस से आती है।
Any questions from audience?
मैडम, आपने जब बॉक्सिंग स्टार्ट की तो कितने लोगों के दांत तोड़े और लोग आपसे डरते हैं बातचीत करने के लिए, ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, मैं भी एक साधारण लड़की हूँ। अगर कोई गलत करेगा वो मार खाएगा, उसके घर में घुस के मार खाएगा।
Thank you. Thank you.
Kavya Maran is an Indian businesswoman and the CEO of the Indian Premier League franchise of Sunrisers Hyderabad, SRH. She is the daughter of Kalanidhi Maran and Kaveri Maran. Kavya Maran सिर्फ SRH की ओनर ही नहीं, SRH की सबसे बड़ी फैन भी है. She is the queen of Orange Army. So let's welcome Kavya Maran, escorted by Laharika.
owner of Sunrisers Hyderabad and managing director of Sun TV Network, and the chairman and the founder of Sun TV. After achieving so much in your life, how do you feel?
I hail from a South Indian family and politicians. It is not easy to manage Sun TV Network media channels. I believe that life is a cricket match. If you are a bowler, take every ball wicket, and you are a batsman, hit every ball 4 or 6 runs.
That is very true and interesting. Madam, owner of often Orange Army and Queen of Smile, there is always buzz going on. People whenever watch you.
I know my expression became an amble of pure unfiltered emotion. I am very lucky to have Orange Army, Sunrisers.
There is always talk going on in social media about your admiration, joy and love and affection towards the Sunrisers Hyderabad cricket team.
All the cricketers in Sunrisers Hyderabad are my family members. I closely involved towards my Orange Army Sunrisers.
You are also biggest paid businesswoman in our country. Your father, the grand nephew, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri M. Karunanidhi.
I hail from a South Indian family. As a co-owner of Sunrisers Hyderabad, I suggest every woman should be strong and positive.
I even heard Amitabh Bachchan express sympathy for you, and it even felt bad.
I heard Mr. Bachchan, never mind, tomorrow is another day. That you fail, do not give up, for tomorrow is another day.
Madam, you are a commerce degree holder and in an MBA from Warwick School, UK, from most influential woman in the world of business and cricket. Why isn't you always a successful woman?
Laharika, I am a dedicated hard work woman. I think smart and make smart decisions. That's why I create a legacy that stay calm in any tough situations.
One more question. Nation wants to know, how do you enjoy personal life? life. I enjoy eating South Indian breakfast apart from North roti and veg dish. I am enjoy traveling and listening to music. I honored Devi Award. Right now my net worth is 409 crore. I am planning to expand my media channels across the world. इंद्रदास काव्या मैडम, क्या आपको अच्छा नींद आता है? नींद कैसे आएगी मेरी दोस्त, अभी तो सारे सपने अधूरे हैं. Any questions from audience?
owner of IPL franchise. One direct question to you. पहले ये बताओ कि ईशान किशन को किसके लिया गया है? दूसरा है तो बैटिंग नहीं करता, दूसरा है तो ग्राउंड में ड्रामा ज्यादा करता, और इतना फ्लॉप टीम में इन्वेस्ट क्यों किया गया है? बताओ मैडम, बताओ.
That is nice question. Let me answer stepwise. One, right now my team is only depend on Abhishek Sharma. I am going to rethink taking Ishan Kishan in future. So cricket is a teamwork. So next year we will show you.
I do not waste too my money to purchase any tickets for a flop team SRH.
Okay, that's fine.
नेक्स्ट ईयर आईपीएल ऑक्शन में क्रिकेट खेलने लोगों को लो, लेकिन ड्रामा करने लोगों को मत लो. थैंक यू.
Okay. Thank you. Shubman Gill is one of the youngest talents in Indian cricket, known for his elegant stroke play. He is also known as the Prince of Cricket. शुभमन गिल की बल्लेबाजी एक कला है कि शुभमन गिल की बल्लेबाजी एक कला है जो मैदान पर जादू कर देती है. So let's welcome शुभमन गिल, escorted by Krishna.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. With me today, we all are going to listen Shubman Gill, nicknamed Shubi and Kaka. He was also one of the famous cricketers to score fastest 2000 ODI runs. International debut 2019 against New Zealand and jersey number 77. How do you feel after becoming one of the youngest cricketers?
Thank you for inviting me on this Brighton Celebrity Show. My journey of cricket was very tough. My father, a farmer, who was my first cricket coach, we moved to Mohali to be closer for international cricket facilities. Representing my country India and to wear dream level jersey, Team India needs strength, dedication and intense practice.
You are also 15th Indian batsman to register double century against New Zealand. क्या चल रहा था वो टाइम दिमाग में?
बस रन्स बनाना है और देश को जिताना है. I even scored a double century under 16 debut for Punjab. It all depends on how you judge every ball rather than the bowler judges you how to bowl.
You were also selected vice captain 2019 under-19 World Cup in New Zealand. Also captain of Gujarat Titans in IPL. इतना लंबा सफर और इतनी कामयाबी और आगे क्या? और ये क्रिकेट का जुनून कब से शुरू हुआ?
I started playing cricket at tender age. When I was 3 years old, my grandfather made cricket bats for me. And my father was my first cricket coach. I started focusing only on one thing. First, how to defend the ball and how to hit the ball. And the rest is my family support and my dedication.
You are a handsome cricketer and you have a huge female fan following with remarkable skills, elegant batting style and born with exceptional talent. The nation wants to know what makes Shubman Gill different.
Thank you for praising me. I think my adaptability and my immense concentration and the support of my fans across the world makes me strong to score a lot of runs.
That's very great to hear. बहुत सारे लोग जानना चाहते हैं आपका favorite food, color, song, cinema, actor and favorite cricketer.
My favorite food dishes like butter chicken, lamb, rice and dal makhani. I consider Hrithik Roshan and Rashmika Mandanna is my favorite actor. I don't have any favorite color, but I prefer red. I follow Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar is my idol. I like to listen rap songs and the way Arjit Singh sings.
It was really nice to hear Arjit Singh songs and to eat our chicken and aloo paratha. Mr. Gill, your current rankings is number one in ICC Men's ODI batting rankings and the rating is 784. Also, the nation wants to know, other than cricket, what do you like?
I have a strong connection with farming family and village. I love agriculture and in the future, I love to take organic farming and love to support healthcare system. And my dream is to get a better education for girl child and safety.
You are typically referred as Prince of Cricket. Huge fan following. What are the strengths of your never-ending success?
Thank you for appreciating me again. Mine, solid forward and backward defense are my strength. I judge every ball and try to play with a calm nature.
One last question. We know that Shuman Gill, like you, regarded as future superstar in all formats. What is your message to next generation kids?
Always be temperament and be a consistent. Be a responsible citizen when you are representing country. Your consistency and ability to perform under pressure makes you a greatest batsman in the world.
Any question from audience?
The Prince of Cricket, you have been a model and an example to upcoming young generation cricketers. What message you would like to give?
Thank you, Ananya. That's a very good question. My answer to your question is the young generation should make a strong dedication with their goals and play with start working with a discipline. This is my message and yeah, never give up.
Thank you. Mr. Shubhi and the Prince of Cricket, I would like to see your favorite cricketing shot and cricketing style.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. My favorite cricket shot is back foot punch and my favorite cricketing style is cover drive. Let me show you.
Switch off the microphone.
Firstly, this is a back foot punch and this is a cover drive.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Priyanka Chopra Jonas is globally renowned Indian actress, producer and singer. Beyond the screen, Priyanka Chopra is a successful woman and ambassador of UNICEF Goodwill. She is also known as the Queen of Beauty. May I now invite Priyanka Chopra Jonas, escorted by Mahi.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I am sitting with Priyanka Chopra, a prominent figure in both Bollywood and Hollywood. You are a winner of Miss World title, actor, model and singer, and a leading lady of Indian motion cinema, and winner of 5 Filmfare Award, and also winner of National Film Award and 2 People's Choice Award. How do you feel after getting so much attention, media, audience and appreciation?
Thank you for appreciating me. I'm a smart and tough girl and I believe give it your best and forget about rest. And I also participated in women equality and justice.
Many girls across the world take you as a role of model. How do you react to that?
I think I have done an incredible work being an actress, producer and also my multi-phase journey. As a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, I have been women rights and also child rights.
Priyanka ma'am, so many numerous awards to national awards and 2 People's Choice Award. How your journey began?
My journey began when I was crowned Miss World 2000 when I was 18, and I also wanted to become an aeronautic engineer, but I had a passion of global icon, so I chose modeling.
for me. You were in Hollywood looking for international expansion. I worked in US television series called Quantico, and there was a millions of little things. One more question. Global star Priyanka Chopra, your message to young girls, and how do you handle relationship between United States of America and India? Self-love and self-acceptance. Bold girls make histories and last girls have the power to change. One last question. Priyanka ma'am, the nation wants to know your favorite color, movie, actor, actress and destination. I love both veg and non-veg. I mostly like ghar ka khana like paratha, karela and seafood. I love King of Romance, Shah Rukh Khan and Savitri. I also love pink color. Any question from audience?
हाय प्रियंका चोपड़ा जी, जैसे कि आपने अभी कहा, आपकी जिंदगी में सफर कितना कठिन था, and do you think the present generation girls are capable to become Miss World and Miss Universe?
Thank you Arushi for asking this question about my life journey. Truly speaking, I have faced multiple problems as every common girl faces. I thank my parents and my fans.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Hi, this is Jaitri. What is the success of behind you?
Thank you Arushi for asking the success secret of mine. I am fearless and I take multiple plans with me. Like अगर plan A fail होता है तो plan B fail होता है तो plan C. And मेहनत और आगे बढ़ने से रुकना नहीं चाहिए. Thank you Priyanka ma'am for accepting our invitation as a token of love.
Sushmita Sen is an Indian actress, model and former Miss Universe who made history in 1994 by becoming the first woman to win the Miss Universe crown. As a single mother, she adopted two daughters, Renee and Alisha. So please welcome Sushmita Sen, escorted by Alia and Priya Mishra. Most gorgeous, charming, glamorous, showstopper and fascinating girl, Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen, first Indian woman to win Femina in Miss Universe pageant in 1994. And I do remember you were offered James Bond movie Golden Eye in 1995. But you declined the offer and you are also most beautiful actress in Bollywood. Now tell me, most beautiful girl Sushmita Sen, how was your journey and वो क्या था मन में कि आपने आने वाले पीढ़ी को इतना इंस्पायर किया?
Thank you, Alia, for your beautiful appreciation. As you know, I was born on November 19 in Hyderabad. My father was an Indian Air Force Wing Commander. My mother is a jewelry designer. After completing my school at St. Anne's High School, Hyderabad.
Sushmita ji, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, of course.
Who gave you an idea to become Miss Universe?
That's an interesting question. ऐसे ही मन में एक thought आ गया. And my social sir told me I don't know history. So I told my sir I'm going to make history. So I stopped my higher education and focused on modeling and acting. On the same year, 1994, I won Femina Miss India pageant and Miss Universe pageant as well.
आप लोग कैसे डील करते हैं? What is your opinion about people and also what advice would you give to young women and girls who
आपसे सवाल जितने भी बदतमीजी से पूछा जाए, you have to answer it with respect. क्योंकि history will not record the question, they will record your answer. Just enjoy your life. आपको जो भी बनना है, रोते रोते मत बनिए, हंसते हंसते कीजिए. Most people says that girls can't do this or that things. I think girls can do everything. दुनिया आपको कितना भी क्रिटिसाइज करे, जब आप मंजिल पालोगे ना, तो यही लोग खड़े होकर आपके लिए तालियां बजाएंगे.
How did you stay grounded and maintain a healthy work-life balance, Shushmita Sen, Miss Universe?
I balance my life, love everyone and always stay happy. Let me say you this. हम किसी से खुशियाँ मांगे, ये हमें मंजूर नहीं. मांगी हुई खुशियों से किसका भला होता है? जितना तकदीर में लिखा है वो जरूर अदा होता है.
वाह वाह सुष्मिता जी.
An inch of movement is better than a mile of intention.
What is one thing in your life which cannot be taken away from you to achieve your goals?
Dream is the one thing. सपना ऐसी चीज है जो कोई आपसे छीन नहीं सकता, because it's yours. और तब तक अपना है जब तक आप उसे मैनिफेस्ट नहीं करते. फिर शायद मैनिफेस्ट करने के बाद, वो सच होने के बाद, वो किसी और का सपना बन जाता है.
वाह वाह सुष्मिता जी, आपने तो मन को छू देने वाली बात कही है. तालियां तो बनती है. What I personally learned are your dream, are interesting, your lifestyle, your fashion and your commitment. वो क्या चीज है सुष्मिता दुनिया से अलग है?
आपका इंटेंशंस प्योर होना चाहिए और मैं कोई भी काम पूरे दिल से और शिद्दत से करती हूँ, किसी का दिल तोड़ के नहीं.
सुष्मिता जी, आप अपने लाइफ में डिसीजन लिया विश्व सुंदरी बनने का और आप बन गई. So how did you take your decision?
मैंने डिसीजन से एक बहुत ही प्यारी चीज सीखी है लाइफ में. डोंट गेट वरीड, ये रॉन्ग चॉइस है, राइट चॉइस है, गलत है, करूँ नहीं करूँ जो भी है बाद में पता चलेगा. बट यू मस्ट मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड मेक ए चॉइस, बिकॉज सही और अच्छा चॉइस ही आपको सही रास्ते में पहुंचाएगा.
Miss Universe Queen, आपका फेवरेट फूड, कलर, फिल्म, स्पोर्ट्स, परफ्यूम एंड आउटफिट द नेशन वांट्स टू नो.
As I born in a Bengali family, I love to eat Bengali food, grilled fish, Japanese sushi and Hyderabadi chicken biryani. Regarding cinema world, I love Maine Pyar Kiya movie and all my movies. Gymnastic rings, I love to roll on it. And my favorite color, red and black, particularly the black ones. My favorite outfits are sarees and dresses. I love to wear all this. My favorite perfume is Red Door by Elizabeth Arden.
Yeah, I can see this. And yeah, I can see you're looking stunning and gorgeous in your black outfits. आपके लाइफ में जिंदगी and rejections क्या है?
Rejections have been a part of my journey throughout. I was 16 to 17 years. तो मुझे बहुत ही बड़े कोल्ड ड्रिंक कैंपेन में बुलाया गया था ऑडिशन के लिए, लेकिन वो लोग रिजेक्ट कर दिए. फिर जब मैं मिस यूनिवर्स बन के इंडिया वापस आई तो उसी कोल्ड ड्रिंक कैंपेन ने मुझे बुलाया, लेकिन मैं उनका ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर दी और उनके कंपटीटर का ऑफर ले लिया था. As you know Alia, we are going to pass this world only once. There is no second chance. दर्द आएंगे जाएंगे, बस तुम मुस्कुराते जा, हर दर्द भाग जाएंगे.
Thank you, Miss Universe Beauty Queen. Let us give her a big round of applause.